Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. In order to reset it, you will need to, I'll move the station a little bit further. You'll need to take the robot out of the station, then open the lid, and you will notice reset shown here. Now you'll need to take out this little rubber part, and I'll do it with this, but you can probably do that with a needle or anything else. Now you'll see a little pinhole right here. I wonder if I can show that to you. It is there, right next to the micro USB port, which is just for servicing, so you probably don't need to use that ever. And you can see I pressed on it, held, released, it started blinking, and soon it'll probably tell me that it's ready. So let's give it a moment. Yeah, it plays the chime, so it is reset and you can connect it. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.